Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun at a distance. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. Its orbit of the Sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. Mercury does not have any subtle rings.
A day on Venus is longer than a year, and Venus has 90 times the atmospheric pressure. On Earth, Venus is made up of a central iron core and a rocky mantle. Venus is the second planet from the Sun.
Earth's rotation is really slow because there is low gravity levels.
People believe that the Earth was in the centre of the universe, but this has been proven wrong.
Earth has a magnetic field.
The Earth is the densest planet in the solar system.
Earth is the only planet not named after a god.
Mars and the Earth have the same land mass.
It is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system.
On Mars, the Sun appears about half the size it does on Earth.
Mars is one of the dustiest planets in space.
Only 18 missions have been successful on Mars.
Mars' orbit around the Sun is 687 days, and the surface temperature is -87 to 5°C.
Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. This planet is twice as large as all the other planets combined. Jupiter is so big that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside it. It gets its name from the king of ancient Roman gods.
The distance from the Sun is 778.5 million km, and the length of day is 9 hours and 56 minutes. This planet is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than any other planet. Jupiter has 67 moons.
Jupiter has 4 large moons which were discovered by Galileo in 1610 using a 20-power telescope. These moons are known as the Galilean moons, and they are called Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. Jupiter also has dozens of other smaller moons that are thought to have originated from passing asteroids.
Saturn is a flattened planet. Saturn is the least dense planet from the solar system. At first, astronauts thought the rings were a circle. Saturn has 62 moons.
The rings of Saturn are the most extensive in the solar system. They consist of countless small particles, ranging in size from chronometers to meters, that orbit about Saturn. The ring particles are made almost entirely of water ice, with a trace complement of rocky material.
Uranus was the first planet found using a telescope.
Uranus is an ice giant planet and nearly 4 times larger than the Earth.
Uranus has 27 moons, most of which are named after literary characters,
like Saturn, Jupiter and Neptune.
Uranus is a ring planet.
Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system.
Neptune is similar to Uranus.
It's made of a thick soup of water, ammonia and methane over an Earth-sized solid centre.
Its atmosphere is made from hydrogen, helium and methane.
The methane gives Neptune the same blue colour as Uranus.
Neptune is the most furthest planet from the Sun.
The 9th largest and the 10th most massive known object directly orbiting the Sun. This planet was found on February 18th, 1930 and is named after the Roman god of the underworld.
The International Astronomical Union downgraded the status of Pluto to that of a dwarf planet because it did not meet the 3 criteria that IAU uses to define a full-size planet.
The gas planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
They are the farthest planets from the Sun. They have many moons and they are much bigger than the rocky planets.
They are balls of hydrogen and helium. You can't stand on their surface because they are not solid. The 4 rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are the 4th closest planets to the Sun.
Mercury takes 88 days to orbit the Sun. Venus takes 225 days to orbit the Sun. The Earth takes 365 days to orbit the Sun. Mars takes 687 days to orbit the Sun, whereas Jupiter takes 4,300 days. That is also 12 years to orbit the Sun. Saturn takes 10,586 days, which is 29 years to orbit the Sun. Uranus takes 84 years and Neptune takes 165 years.
The geocentric model states that the Sun and the planets move around the Earth instead of the heliocentric model with the Sun in the centre.
Nicholas Copernicus discovered geocentric and heliocentric models in 1543. Heliocentrism is an astronomical model in which the Earth and the planets revolve around the Sun and at the centre of the solar system.
The geocentric model says that the Sun is at the centre of the cosmos or the universe, and the planets, the Sun and the Moon and the stars circle around it.